when it's all said and done, I think when I look back at the legacy that I leave, it's all been on a blue bike. So for me, it was important to go somewhere that was meaningful for me, and that was what, you know, kind of kept the passion there for me to want to come back and go racing. More than anything, you know, like the thought and I guess the fairy tale sounded cool, but first, you know, you got to make sure the bike fits you and is all good. And I was pleasantly surprised. It's been a great bike, and I've had a lot of fun. And all the things, all the core of what used to be Yamaha is still, you know, alive and well, if not stronger than ever. So I'm, you know, proud to be a part of the Blue Crew again. 17 races in 18 weeks, you learn a lot, and just, yeah, looking forward to working with the team and, you know, going after my third Supercross title.
Great sportsmanship, great rivalry, master and pupil. Where we go then, up the hill, goes into braking mode, into that very tight turn one. Well, what a season they've had and what a celebration it is because they've won every race. Josh Hayes does it again at Barber and wins total domination by the Mississippi Missile. A historic double victory here. Superstar 600 champ. JD Beach with another victory. Jake Gagne will win in Superstar. Great words from the four-time champ. Still got all the fans. And another win. Cameron Beaubier is going to be the first ever Moto America champion. Looking for the perfect record for Yamaha. A 1-2 then for Yamaha. It just keeps coming. Total domination by Yamaha.